In this video, I am going to show you how people are asking questions on astrology in the Quora forum, because there are many people they are asking questions without understanding clearly how to ask really the question. Because here they ask something like a invalid question, that is the questions are astrologically invalid, that if somebody even give an answer for these questions, then no, it is not going to become reality. Now let us see why it is. Now let us take this questions that is asked by one user, Priscilla Imol. So what is the question here? First question is, what are the results of having Saturn Ketu conjunction in the 4th house in Leo sign? See here, in this KP astrology, the results are decided by groups of planets, and we can derive the result based on a particular event. See, for example, the person is not getting married, so we are going to study the about marriages. So they should ask questions like whether in what situation they are, what problem currently they are facing. For example, if they are not married and it is getting delayed, they should ask, when I will get married, why my marriage is getting delayed. That's all. But they should not look at the horoscope and ask something like this, like Saturn Ketu conjunction in 4th house, what it means in Leo sign. Because it may be the same thing for millions of people in the world. So do you mean to say the answer will be same for all the millions of people? No, it is not. Everybody has got a specific answer for him, because not everybody's life is same. So you should ask proper questions. Say, see the next question. Should I follow birth chart or Bhava chart, Jalit? I have Venus in 7th house in my birth chart, but in Bhava Jalit chart is in the 6th house. See here. Because they have not understood what is clearly Bhava chart and what is clearly the birth chart. So there is a confusion here, because if you see, the Bhava chart is superimposed on the birth chart, or nothing but the Rasi chart is the birth chart which she is talking about, the person is talking about. So in reality, when we analyze the horoscope as per KP astrology, the Bhava chart is superimposed on the Rasi chart. So that is the answer here for this question. Now next question, if you see in the Bhava chart, if the house position changes from birth chart, does the sign also change? See here, the same question the person has asked again. Now next one, Mercury Atmakaraha and Moon Amatyakaraha. Mercury is conjunct with the Sun, Jupiter in the 8th house, and Moon in conjunct with the Venus, 6th house, for a Taurus ascendant. Can someone tell me my career outlook? See, this person seems to have been, he is an astrologer or some, I see he is learning astrology or she is learning astrology, but trying to don't know how to make conclusions. So these are all half-cooked answers, half-cooked questions. They are not the real proper questions. They should ask what is the real problem they are facing and give the date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. That's enough. Leave it to the astrologer to find the answer and give you the solution. So do not get confused by reading the horoscope by yourself and asking question as to whatever you want to ask. Now see here, next question, Mercury at as Atmakaraka and Moon as Amatyakaraha. Can someone explain it, what it means? See here, again the same thing, put it differently. There is nobody answered it, because nobody can understand. What does it mean when I have Rahu, Venus and Mercury conjunct in the 7th house in Libra in the Navamsa chart? See again, she is asking something different. And I have Rahu in 1st house in the sign of Aries in the Samsa chart. Can someone explain what it means? See, the person is trying to learn astrology, but in a half-cooked way, not a systematic way. That clearly shows that I have Jupiter in the 12th house of Pisces sign in the Samsa chart. Can someone explain it, what it means? So These are really not correctly asked questions. So what the person should ask is that what is the Date of birth. First tell what is the date of birth, what is the time of birth, and what is the place of birth. Then write your questions. Will I get a job? I am just finished my degree and I am 2 years searching for a job. Will I get a job? When will I get a job? Then if you are married and if you are not getting a child born, then you can ask whether child will be born for me or not. If so, if it is yes, then when the child will be born? So that is the way that you should ask questions. Suppose you are in trouble, you are financially, and you are not getting income. So you should ask, when I will get money. So this is the kind of way the question should be asked. If somebody want to learn astrology, they should now watch my video in YouTube. You will clearly understand what is really astrology. You please subscribe to my channel and you press the bell icon so that whenever I post new videos, new lessons, you will get these lessons and you can understand the KP astrology. Now it is very easy. KP astrology is very easy and systematic, and I strongly recommend that you learn from my videos, so it is free for you. Thank you.